Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial on how to change the name and address on your PNC Bank account using their website. This quick guide will help you keep your account information up to date with minimal hassle. So, let's get started. Browser and log into PNC Online Banking. Ensure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Customer Service tab located at the top of the page. To change your name, 1. You'll need to contact PNC Customer Service directly. This can't be done online for security reasons. You can reach them at 1-888-PNC-BANK 1-888-762-2265. To provide legal documentation, such as a marriage certificate or a court order, to process the name change. To change your address online. 1. Still under the Customer Service tab, find and click on Customer Profile to access your personal information. 2. Click Edit next to the Customer Address section. 3. Check the boxes next to the accounts for which you want the address updated. 4. Enter your new address and hit the Next button. 5. Verify the details and then click Submit Modifications to save the changes. Non-US address changes can also be made by using the Message PNC feature in online banking. And that's it. Keeping your account info updated is crucial for receiving statements, alerts, and other important notices.